The poverty laws. Poverty is not a mystery or an unresolvable problem. Poverty is a condition that comes when natural law is contravened. People in a lifeboat do not prosper. People stranded on a deserted island with no arable land or tools fail to survive. These facts do not pose a mystery to us. These situations are not resolved by throwing money at them. We move with no access to the assets needed to survive to regions where they have access. Why is it such a mystery that people in slums do not do well or people with no access do not prosper? With as little as 1 acre of land, some vegetable seeds and water, a person can survive. How much better could he survive with more land, more tools and more persons to make his access more targeted? A slum is simply a community without direct access to assets. The conventional government solution, which is to give money to the poor, only works if and when this money gives the poor access to assets. Assets in this sense is commercial property. This purchasing power exists if and only if the asset is available to purchase, and if the purchase of assets increases the level of access to assets over time. If none of this is the case, and it rarely is, the money goes into consumption and is lost. Poverty is inversely related to access to assets and proportionate to the value of the assets he or she is heir to. An average poverty is determined by the level of access the individual has to assets compared to the value of access the average person has. The 3 laws of poverty state: if the person or group has limited access to assets, he will remain poor. If a citizen has above average access to assets, he or she will enjoy a higher than average lifestyle. The more assets the citizen has to assets, the higher will be his or her level of prosperity. Citizen trusts make access to assets equal for all citizens. Citizen trusts combines the purchasing power of citizens to enable communities to purchase assets that all citizens have access to. Equal access to assets is the only equality that alleviates poverty. It does not matter your color or location or level of education you have. What matters is the level of access to assets your community provides you.